which object has the largest resultant force acting on it? Okay, so in this question, we need to figure out which object has the largest resultant force. So the resultant force is the result of many forces. Okay, as you can see, there are in total 3 forces that are acting on each block. Okay, so on each block, what is the resultant force? That's what we are going to calculate in this question first, and need to figure out which one has the largest resultant force, irrespective of the direction. In which direction is the force? We just need to find the magnitude. Okay, because force is a vector, it has a magnitude and a direction. Okay, that's the side note, but let's see which object has the largest resultant force. So as far as A is concerned, we have 30 Newton to the right and total of 20 Newton left. So the resultant will be 10 Newton towards right. Okay, this is for part A or block A. Now for block B, part B, we have 10 Newtons overall force towards left and 20 Newtons overall force on right. So the resultant will be 10 Newton towards right. Okay, because 20 minus 10 is 10, and the direction will be the one in which the magnitude of the force is greater. Okay, so in part C, we have 30 Newtons right, 30 Newtons left, and overall 10 Newton right. So the total of 20 Newton, which is the resultant, 20 Newton towards left. And in part D, we have total of just 15 Newton, total 15 Newton on left side. So as we can see, for option A, we have 10 Newton towards right. Okay. For option B, we have 10 Newtons towards right again. For option C, we have 20 Newtons towards left. And for part D, we have 15 Newtons towards left. So it is clearly part C or option C is correct option because it has the highest magnitude. It has the largest resultant force acting on the object.